morning, students. How are you? You all doing good? I'm also good. Staying at home and staying safe. So we are continuing with our chapter 2. The chapter 2 is houses. We have till now we have come to know about the shelter. We know that why the shelter is important. Then we have come to know about the type of houses. All the 9 type of houses have you drawn? Have you explained it? Okay. So when you are drawing the house, any type of house, you are not going to write that there is a one door or two door or two windows like this. You have to tell the what type of house it is, who makes it, and what are the features of it, and what the material is used for it, and why this type of house is made in at that place. Okay, like we have a cottage. So cottage, why cottage is made in hilly regions? To keep yourself, to keep people warm. Okay, the house is warm, but it is made by using thick stones. So the house is warm, and the sloping roof is there. Why the sloping roof is there? That you have to explain. You are not going to write that it is having one roof, four walls or two विंडोज. आपको ये नहीं लिखना है कि उसमें एक छत है और दो विंडोज हैं, दो खिड़कियां हैं और एक डोर है. इट्स नॉट द इंग्लिश डिस्क्रिप्शन. ओके, सो डोंट राइट दैट. राइट हाउ आई हैव शोन यू द पिक्चर. आई हैव सेंड यू द पिक्चर. जो पिक्चर मैंने आपको भेजी है उस फॉर्मेट में उस तरह से लिखना है. ठीक है. तो सो यू स्टे एट योर होम. You stay alone at your home? No, we are staying with lizards, spiders, mosquitoes, houseflies. We are staying. Okay. So, do you think that they are okay? They stay with us. Is it okay? No. They are these insects may spread a disease. So, just to keep ourselves safe from all these insects or animals, what we have to do? We have to keep our house clean. We have to keep our house clean. So just to clean our house, we have the many ways what that help us to keep our house neat and clean and unhygienic also. Okay, so when sorry, I have used a wrong word. Unhygienic, no, hygienic. Okay, to keep ourselves and our house hygienic. Okay, a place which is very neat and clean and right place to survive. Okay, so I'll show you the picture where you can see there are 6 ways that help us to keep our house neat, clean and hygienic. Okay. So the 6 ways are, the very first one, sweep and mop the floor every day. आपको अपने घर को हमेशा ही झाड़ू और पोछा से क्लीन करना चाहिए. जितना भी डस्ट है या लिटर है उसको साफ़ करना चाहिए, या कुछ गंदा गिर गया है उसको हमेशा साफ़ करना चाहिए. तो रोज़ आपके घर में झाड़ू और पोछा होना चाहिए, स्वीपिंग एंड मॉपिंग होना चाहिए. ओके, यू मस्ट स्वीप एंड मॉप द फ्लोर एवरी डे. Next one is, second is, keep your house ventilated. Now what is the meaning of ventilated? Can you ventilated? So the meaning of ventilated means your house should have windows and it should have the door. Your house should have windows and door to allow a lot of fresh air and sunlight. Your windows and door allow the fresh air and sunlight. Okay, so your house should have the windows and door to allow fresh air and sunlight. That I will be explaining in the next time. Not next time, just after this one. So the third one is, use the dustbin. You should not throw the things here and there, like आपने बनाना खाया और छिलका यहाँ पे छोड़ दिया, या आपने चिप्स खाया उसका पैकेट यहीं पर छोड़ दिया. You should use the dustbin. and we will be discussing about the two type of dustbins also. Next fourth one is do not scatter your toys. आप अपने टॉयज को यहाँ वहाँ नहीं फेंकोगे, उसको सही जगह पे रखोगे, नहीं तो मान लो कि कोई टॉय गिरा हुआ है एंड यू मेक ट्रिप ऑन इट, ओके, टिप ऑन इट एंड यू फॉल डाउन. So you should be careful, so that you have to keep your house neat and clean and well settled also. The fourth one is put wire mesh on windows and door. To you don't want to allow the flies and mosquitoes in your house. For that you need to put the wire mesh. मतलब कि वायर के जो जाली होते हैं वो लगाना चाहिए, जिससे कि अगर हम विंडो ओपन करें फ्रेश एयर और सनलाइट के लिए तो मक्खियाँ और मच्छर हमारे घर में ना आए. Okay, so we must put the wire mesh on windows and doors, so that the flies and mosquitoes don't enter in our house when we open our windows for fresh air and sunlight. Okay, the sixth one is keep your things at proper place. Like when you come, you should keep your things on a proper place. Like books you should keep in your on your study table. The shoes you should put in the shoe rack, and whatever the things belongs to the place you must put on that place. Okay, so you can see that the first one is sweep and mop the floor every day. Next slide, I will show you. You can see that mama is doing mopping and sweeping. झाड़ू और पोछा लगा के घर को बिल्कुल डस्ट फ्री कर रही है मम्मा. Mama is cleaning house properly, so that no dust, no germs are there. Okay, so after this, next one is keep your house ventilated. Keep your house ventilated. Okay, so as I told you, what is the meaning of ventilation? Ventilation means your house should get the right amount of fresh air and sunlight. For that, your house should have the windows and door open, and this fresh air gives the right way to live, and we can breathe with more oxygen. Then sunlight kills the germs which are there in your house. Okay, so we need a lot of fresh air and sunlight to keep our house clean, neat, clean and hygienic. होने के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि आपके घर में फ्रेश एयर आए और सूरज की रोशनी आए. सनलाइट शुड कम. ओके, the next I will show you the way you should use the dustbin for throwing all the garbage and litter. Okay, when you must use the two type of dustbins. One you can see is of green color, the other one is of blue color. So the green color is used for the peels of fruits, vegetable or wet garbage. Then the blue one you can use for the plastic, tin, glasses, so that it will be easy to dispose it of. Okay, so we should use the dustbin for keeping these separating the garbage and keeping the garbage. We should not throw here and there and make our house dirty. The next slide I will show you how to put your toys. So do not scatter your toys. आपके toys यहाँ वहाँ बिखरे नहीं होना चाहिए. कुछ toys wheels के साथ होते हैं जिन पे अगर पैर पड़ गया तो आप फिसल के गिर सकते हो. You may tip off. Okay, so you should keep your toys very properly. It should not be scattered. यहाँ वहाँ बिखेर के नहीं रखना है. The next slide I will show you for the wire mesh. Okay, we must put the wire mesh on our windows and door, so that when we open the windows and door for sunlight and fresh air, along with the fresh air and sunlight, we don't want to allow the mosquitoes and flies. So to keep away the mosquitoes and flies from our house, we need to put wire mesh. मतलब जालियाँ लगानी होती है ताकि मक्खियाँ और मच्छर हमारे घर में ना घुसे. ठीक है, because they are the insect which spread a lot of diseases. Okay, the next one is keeping things on proper place. Okay, keep your things at the proper place. When when you come from the school, you put your shoes on the shoe rack, your bag on the on in at the proper place where your mama said. जहाँ आपकी मम्मा ने बैग रखने के लिए बोला वहाँ बैग रखोगे. बुक्स यू शुड नॉट scattered here and there. यहाँ वहाँ बिखेर के आपको बुक्स नहीं रखनी है. Instead of that you should put on your study table. Okay. So we can